Hey everyone, I'm Devendra, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be answering your most frequently asked questions about the Google Online Challenge. Whether you are preparing for data analytics, digital marketing, information technology, project management, or any other challenge, these answers will help you avoid confusion and ace the process. So, stay tuned till the end for some bonus tips. Question number 1. I received an email for both PM and DM in one email. What does this mean? This simply means you're eligible for both project management, PM, and digital marketing, DM, roles. You'll need to select one before you begin the challenge. Read the details carefully to decide which one aligns with your skills and career goals. Question number 2. Can I use incognito mode for the exam? No, it's not recommended to use incognito mode. Stick to a regular browser session to avoid technical issues. Incognito mode can block some features that the test platform might need, like cookies. Question number 3. Which browser is safer for the exam? Google Chrome is the most recommended browser for the Google Online Challenge. It's fully compatible with their testing platform, but make sure it's updated to the latest version. Question number 4. Are the microphone and camera on? Yes, during the challenge, your microphone and camera may be monitored for security reasons. Ensure they are functional and grant permissions to avoid disruptions. Question number 5. What are the internal factors that matter? Your problem-solving approach, time management, accuracy, and logical reasoning skills are key factors. Focus on quality over quantity in your answers. Question number 6. Are pop-up messages a problem during exams? Yes, pop-ups can disrupt your focus and even cause the test interface to malfunction. Close unnecessary tabs and applications before starting. Question number 7. Are PM and DM questions the same? No, the questions differ as they are tailored to the specific roles. Question number 8. I didn't get any confirmation mail for the exam. What should I do? First, check your spam or promotions folder. If you still don't see it, raise a ticket at Google Online Challenge-ticket@google.com with your registration details. Question number 9. What if my exam doesn't open? Don't panic. Immediately raise a support ticket at Google Online Challenge-ticket@google.com. They're quick to respond and will help you resolve the issue. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips. Keep your workspace distraction-free. Use a stable internet connection. Keep a pen and paper handy for rough work. Always read each question carefully. Attention to detail matters. Take deep breaths and stay calm if you encounter challenges. It's part of the process. I hope this video helped clarify your doubts. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll reply to you directly. If you're preparing for a Google apprenticeship, check out my ebook, packed with expert tips and practice questions to help you succeed. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights about Google hiring processes. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google Online Challenge.